Hey guys, so I am continuing our Brave test for the sync functionality that you see right here. So one thing you won't be able to see is the other computer I'll be using to test this functionality and see how it works. Um, so what we will do, and just kind of giving you some background, I'm going to be using the Brave browser on my Windows 10 machine to test the kind of cross-platform functionality um, that we have in Brave. So here we are. Uh, Verify you are able to sync two devices using the secret code. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Preferences and go to the sync. I am new to sync. Brave Mac. Set up sync. Okay. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go to the Brave browser on my Windows 10 machine and just follow these instructions here that I have on open up here in this window that you can see. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take these secret code words and I'm just going to slack it to myself here just to test this out. And then go to Slack on my machine. Okay, and looks like I got that input, so we're going to go ahead and see if I'm able to pull all the information here. Okay, and it looks like it pulled all my information. So we're going to go ahead and say this passed. Let's go here. Bingo. Okay, so visit a site on the device 1 and change shield settings. Ensure that the saved site preference is synced to device 2. So let's see here. Let's go to Reddit. Woohoo, learn programming. Alright. I'm going to say block ads completely. Alright. And so I'm going to navigate to this website on the newly synced device here. And so what we're going to look for is to see that preference in the Brave Shield settings synced over to over here on my end. Let's see. Cool. Okay, so it looks like it's passing that also. So let's go back here. Perfect. So for this next test, enable browsing history sync on device 1, which should be this device, and ensure the history is shown on device 2. So actually I don't even need that preferences. So browsing history is good to go. Let's see here. Cool. So we'll see if that shows up here. Oh, so I forgot to click browsing history here. So that's why when I was looking, it didn't pass the first time. But let's see if we can give it a shot now. Refresh my page. Huh, so it looks like it's still not picking up this site that I'm at. It could be that I initially didn't have this all set up correctly. Let's see here. Huh, weird. Let's try it again. Oh, you know what might be the issue is that I don't have browsing history synced also on my end here. Yeah, so both places need to be syncing. Great. Okay. It looks like it is both of these browsing histories are syncing. So actually, let me go back here. It says import/add bookmarks on device 1, ensure it is synced on device 2. So what I will do is I'll go ahead and add this as a bookmark. And I'm going to go to my bookmarks on my second device here. Okay, so it looks like it has passed that test. On the second one, on the second device, I'm showing that that bookmark is in there. So, and then I'm going to make sure that the bookmarks folder is maintained over on this side. Bookmarks manager here. And so I have a testing folder here, and it looks like everything's matching up with what I am seeing over on the other side here. Cool. All right. So it looks like it passes that test. Okay, and then let's enable favicons or favicons, yeah, favicons. All right. And boom. And I think that's about it for us. So that finishes out about all I can do on the manual test. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video.